In the quaint tranquility of a small town, our protagonist, a man named Raj, resided. Known for his wisdom and prudence, Raj had a humble income, but harbored dreams of a prosperous future for himself and his loved ones. One fateful day, Raj's path crossed with that of Mr. Sharma, a highly respected financial advisor. Intrigued, Raj decided to seek Mr. Sharma's advice. Mr. Sharma, known for his vast knowledge of investments and wealth management, welcomed Raj with a warm smile. Raj, eager to learn, expressed his desire to invest his money wisely. Mr. Sharma, with a knowing nod, shared, "Raj, investing is akin to embarking on a journey. It calls for meticulous planning, patience and well-informed decisions." Mr. Sharma then introduced Raj to the world of investments, emphasizing the significance of diversification. He urged Raj to distribute his money across various assets like stocks, bonds and real estate to mitigate risk. With newfound knowledge, Raj embarked on his investment journey. He delved deep into research, sought advice and made informed choices. He chose to invest a significant part of his savings in stable, long-term assets and allocated a smaller portion to more dynamic, potentially high-yielding opportunities. As time passed, Raj noticed his investments gradually grow. He kept abreast with market trends, routinely reviewed his portfolio, and sought advice from Mr. Sharma on adjustments and strategies. Years of diligent investing bore fruit. Raj's financial future was secure, and he had surplus funds to pursue his passions. He had realized his dream. When queried about his success, Raj would say, "Investing is a journey. With the right planning, diversification and patience, money can indeed work for you." News of Raj's financial success spread, and he became a beacon of hope for those seeking financial security. His tale became a legend in the town, a testament to the fact that with careful planning, informed decisions and patience, the journey to financial prosperity is within reach. It's crucial to remember Raj's journey when planning your own investments. Never hesitate to seek professional advice, do thorough research, and remember the importance of diversification and long-term planning. This, dear friends, is the wisdom of the wise investor.